think I'd try this a new way.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today I am going to be deep cleaning my bathroom. I hope you guys are going to love the pink floors as much as I do. I don't like them. I cannot stand the pink floors, and I cannot wait until we change them. So hopefully this is a 2021 project that I can give my husband to do and just, you know, spare me from staring at these floors. But anyways, so I just started off by putting away everything that was on the counter, and I also wanted to take away the dirty towels because on this day I actually wanted to wash everything that's like towels and sheets and all the other good stuff, all the linen stuff. So I wanted to take care of that. And then before I started cleaning, I wanted to go ahead and sweep the floors so I can get all the dirt off of it. I hate walking around when I can see small hairs everywhere, so I wanted to take care of that and also empty the garbage can. These bags that I put in my garbage can are from the dollar store. They are my absolute favorite. I've mentioned them before in another video, but in case you don't know, they're actually scented. They're not very strong, so you can't really smell too much of them, but I just love their size and they just do the job. So now going into the cleaning, I wanted to start off by cleaning my mirrors. We always have splashes on there, so I am using my Method glass cleaner. I love Method. Anything Method related is so good. I love all their cleaners. So I ran out. This is the only Method cleaner I have left actually. I need to go and get some more. So I wanted to clean off the mirror first. I used to use a microfiber cloth on the mirrors, and I found out it left a little bit of smudging, so the paper towel actually does a much better job.
We'll turn this around.
My countertops and the sink, it was so dirty. As you can see, there's toothpaste that's dried on there. My little one got a hold of their toothpaste and just had fun squeezing it all out. It was everywhere, and on the floor, on the countertop, and also on the rugs on the floor. So I definitely needed to do this deep cleaning. So in the sink and on the countertop, I am using the Vim all-purpose cleaner. I love this cleaner. It smells so good. I know I said I love Method, but this has to be probably my second favorite. I like the smell of them. They're not very strong. My husband doesn't like very strong cleaners, so I tend to choose the ones that are a bit mild, just so that he does not go crazy with the scent. So after cleaning the sinks, I went ahead and I wiped down the countertops using a microfiber cloth. I also wanted to do a little bit of organizing in this medicine cabinet. It's a medicine cabinet, but I actually don't keep medicine in there, but I just love it. It's so cute, but not very deep shelves, so everything kind of falls out from time to time. I've been looking for little organizational bins at the dollar store that could fit in there, and I still have not found anything just yet. To wipe it off, I used the Lysol wipes, and then I went over it with a dry microfiber cloth just to make sure that nothing was wet on the shelves. Just get me out of here.
push me back, pull me in, and the other way around. Pull me in, push me back. What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can someone set me free?
Because I don't have a lot of space under my vanity, I got this basket where I keep my most used products in there, just so that they are somewhere easy to reach and not clutter under my vanity. It's so small under there. That's why I hate putting away anything under there that I have to grab on a daily basis. So in the vanity, I just store things that we don't use very often.
But if you sit down and allow me to get close, we might work. Every time you've been
For the toilet, I am also using the Vim All Natural Cleaner as well to wipe it down. I have to wear gloves. I can't clean the toilet without gloves. And then the Clorox toilet bowl cleaner. It does such a good job. I either use the Clorox or the Lysol toilet bowl cleaner, and they both do quite a good job actually. And then to wipe it down on the outside, I was just using a paper towel just so that I can go ahead and throw it out. To freshen up the toilet bowl, I put in these Lysol click gels, so every time you flush the toilet, it just cleans it out and disinfects it. And they also smell pretty okay. I like the smell. It might be too strong for some people, but I like that it keeps the toilet disinfected and smelling fresh.
What do you want? What do you want?
Before I started to clean out the tub, I wanted to clean the step stools for the kids. I noticed they had spilled some stuff on there, so I wanted to give them a good scrub down and also clean out the little toilet seat for Logan. We are working on potty training, still not going very well. My firstborn was so much easier to potty train, but oh man, Logan, it is hard. It's so hard. He's not into it. So I am just waiting to see if he'll give me that one signal that he's really ready for it. And I hope we can get this ball rolling, because I need him out of the pull-ups.
I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything.
Still using the Vim cleaner, I sprayed it everywhere in the tub, on the walls. And then for scrubbing, I went ahead and I used my Vileta tub scrub or shower scrub thing. I just like it because I don't have to bend and kill my back for scrubbing into the tub. It extends so well so that you can you don't get hurt trying to scrub deep into the tub. It works well for me. I'm sure you can find it anywhere if you like. I got mine from Walmart, but I'm sure Amazon will carry it, or any other stores that has any of the Vileta products, like cleaning products.
I can't let this slip, no. I gotta seize the moment. Have you even noticed? Are you thinking about me? Are you thinking about me? I'm having a hard time not doing anything other than thinking about you. So are you thinking about me? 'Cause I've been thinking about you.
The last thing that I did was to go ahead and mop the floors, and I was also using a Vileta mop. I just love anything Vileta. Their products are really good. Anyways, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around. If you are new and haven't subscribed yet, thank you for coming by on my channel, but please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and make sure you hit the notification bell as well, so you know when I upload next. I do upload Thursdays and Sundays at 2:30 p.m. So make sure that you get the notification for when my next video is live. I'll see you guys in my next one, and I hope you guys stay blessed. Bye guys.
I'm having a hard time not doing anything.